short cosmology segment, we'll talk briefly about Sagittarius A star. So, the core of the Milky Way galaxy is a supermassive radio source known as Sagittarius A star. And if you look at this lovely diagram here, this is an animation of the supermassive blue giant stars that are orbiting Sagittarius A star. Now, we don't have a very good view of Sagittarius A star from our solar system. There are apparent spiral arms of the Milky Way galaxy which are in the way of a good view of Sagittarius A star. So it only shows up in certain frequencies. However, we have noted a series of massive stars orbiting it at, let's just say, solar wind speeds. These stars are traveling at hundreds of kilometers per second, the speed that we would expect to see a comet traveling. And these massive stars are, of course, orbiting the supermassive radio source at the core of the Milky Way galaxy known as Sagittarius A star. So let's take a quick look at that, but first, I would invite all of our viewers to check us out at twitch.tv/smAsho, where we're currently streaming live. There's a great mobile app for that as well, twitch.tv/smAsho. Thanks to our new subscribers over at YouTube. Don't forget to check our playlists there as well, youtube.com/smAsho/playlists. We're also on BitChute. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Yesterday we put an exclusive out there. Our meteorology segment was a BitChute exclusive yesterday. And I'd like to welcome all of our viewers to the Neo Renaissance. Check out our social media links and so on. Leave us a comment. Let us know what your favorite social media is. Today's featured product is available at the smAsho merch link right at the homepage, smashomash.com. Smashomash.org will redirect you. Click on the smAsho merch link and you can find this. Today's featured product is the Do Not Pole Vault the Caldera tote bag. So we got my mom and Smash Staff's mom one of these for Mother's Day. One of them has arrived. The print quality is exceptionally high, so perhaps pick up a tote bag. If you'd like to go to the grocery store and tell people not to pole vault the caldera, you may find lots of stupid people at the grocery store, and that's why we make public service messages, because there are a lot of dumb people. So today's cosmology segment is going to start out with information about Sagittarius A star. So Sagittarius A star, again, is not particularly bright in terms of X-ray. Here are the X-ray transients over the past 16 years. It's this top image here. Here's the 30-day chart of the X-ray output from the massive radio source at the core of the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy team for the win. It's Sagittarius A star. Now, if you want to search for this, you want to type in SGR space A asterisk, and that is the X-ray source at the core of the Milky Way galaxy. So there it is in, I'm not sure what spectrum that is. Let's go to Aladdin Light here, and we'll look at it in a couple wavelengths. So in infrared, it's going to look very bright as it is right in the core of the galaxy. So there is a lot of hot plasma in that area. No surprise there. Let's check it out on Chandra. And there you can see the extremely busy X-ray environment at the core of the Milky Way galaxy. And that's the location of Sagittarius A star. That's the relatively dark region that we see these massive stars orbiting, some of them with a periodicity as low as 12 years. And there it is on the multi-mirror, XMM Newton. Let's see if it shows up in UV. It's probably not going to show up in UV at all. It's going to be very bright. How about Finkbeiner? Yes, hydrogen alpha. There's a lot of hydrogen around the core of the Milky Way galaxy. And there you can see the way the hydrogen is distributed. It's quite focused on the galactic plane, which you can see right here. Sagittarius A star, today's featured object. And let's go to the astronomy picture of the day. It's Uluru, as well as the largest object visible, the largest single object visible to the naked eye. It's Betelgeuse. How do you find Betelgeuse? Well, you see these three stars that are in a straight line. The middle star forms a perpendicular pointed directly at Betelgeuse. So if you want to find that, find Orion. It's a very conspicuous constellation. That's how to find Betelgeuse. The 3 stars that make up Orion's belt point directly at it. And here's a great image of Orion and Uluru, otherwise known as Ayers Rock in Australia. And that's today's Cosmology segment. We kept it pretty short here at the Smash News Network. And geez, did I fail to show the graphics, folks? Anyway, there's the graphics of that. Here is the hydrogen alpha around the galactic core. If you zoom way in, that's where Sagittarius A star is located. Check out those large, dense clouds of hydrogen. Here it is on the Chandra, the X-ray telescope. And you can see how busy the X-ray region around the core of the Milky Way galaxy indeed is. Sagittarius A star, and there's Ayers Rock. There's the star that points at Betelgeuse. Orion's belt forms a perpendicular line pointing right to Betelgeuse. So we'll have to say goodbye to Twitch, and we'll bring you back. And thanks for leaving a comment, John. We'll bring you back for the meteorology segment.